feel like this video is something I should have done a long time ago. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So excited for this video because this is something that I get asked about so much on my channel and on my Instagram. This video is gonna be about what to know before going blonde and also kind of what I wish I knew. So I'm here in my giant comfy sweater and I'm just here to just chill with you guys and just talk to you about me being a platinum blonde curly girl and just some tips and tricks if you are deciding to go blonde and what you should know. So before we go ahead and begin, if you like videos like these, make sure to go down below and subscribe to my channel, and also make sure that you follow me on all of my social handles so you won't miss anything. I like to answer a lot of your questions, so make sure to go ahead and follow me on my Instagram especially. And let's go ahead and get started. I've been blonde, platinum blonde, 3 to 2.5 years now, and let me tell you, it's been a long journey. Not only have I been platinum blonde, but I've done the color on myself by myself this entire time. I've never gotten my hair done by anybody else going platinum, and I'm just telling you, it's been a ride. This has not been easy at all. I struggle all the time, but would I change my color? Absolutely not. I love my hair. But let me tell you guys what you should know before going blonde. So the first thing that you should know before going blonde is damage. Damage is something that you cannot avoid. In the process of going blonde, you will need to use bleach or lightener. That, no matter what you do, is damaging. What bleach basically does is it strips the pigment from your hair. It basically oxidizes it and makes it lighter. So if you have completely perfectly healthy hair, you will receive damage, and it could alter your curl pattern. Results vary for everybody. Me personally, I feel as though my curl pattern has not been altered as much as others. Depends on your curl pattern, how damaged your hair is. There's just so many factors. So just know that there is absolutely no way that you cannot get damage. Even using Olaplex #1, which I use every time I lighten my hair, it's not a barrier. You will still get some damage. Number 2 is constantly doing your roots every 3 months, and also the price. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, so that's the reason why I do my hair myself, because I know what I'm doing. Although I'm not perfect, as you can see, like I have some yellowish in my hair. I'm not perfect at all. It's hard to do your hair yourself, but I do it because it's super pricey elsewhere, and I personally don't trust others with my hair. Yeah, I don't have to pay the amount that a lot of these salons are charging to go my hair color. I'm not gonna lie, like this could range from like $300 to $500, and each session, I don't even know, like prices have changed now, and especially going platinum, this is one of the biggest services in a salon, especially for someone who has curly hair. Like I have no clue how much they charge, and I don't want to know. I have to ask one of my friends who works as a cosmetologist, because she's done some platinum hair, and I'm gonna ask her how much she charges every session to someone who's just doing their roots platinum, because I'm sure it's a lot. So just make sure you're aware of how much you're gonna have to spend every 3 months, and also make sure that you go to a correct stylist. Like I said, I do my hair myself because I don't trust anybody. That's personally for me. If you have trust in others, make sure that you ask questions. Make sure that they get in your hair and they do a strand test. Strand test will determine what your hair needs, if your hair can take the lightener, how many levels you need to lift, if there's any signs of you coloring your hair before. I remember one time when I was in school, there was a client that I had who said that her hair was virgin hair and she wanted to go blonde. And I started to do her hair, and because she said that her hair was virgin, her hair started changing colors. To the roots was perfectly turning blonde, and then the ends were red. So make sure that you are honest with your stylist, your colorist. Make sure that you are completely honest with them, because going blonde, this isn't a game. This is something that will drastically change your hair. So yeah, I do my hair every 3 months. I do it myself, and oh my gosh, sometimes like it makes me just want to dye my hair black, because I just get so annoyed doing it by myself. I just have to have like a mirror in front of me, a mirror in back of me, and me trying to do it myself, and I have to do it really fast so that all of it colors evenly. Like my roots in the front are just so picky, but the back of my hair will lighten so perfect. It's just so annoying. So those are just some things to be mindful of. The next thing we're gonna be talking about is something that I wish I knew, because it's something that I didn't think about. I did not think about it, and that is your hair porosity. So you could walk into a salon with low porosity or medium porosity. If you haven't watched my porosity video, I'll link it over here so you can understand what porosity you are. But for me, before I was medium porosity, but now due to all the lightening, I am high porosity. There's so many different ways hair porosity can be changed. So for me, I lighten my hair, lightening is damaged, so I'm high porosity. Now being high porosity is so high maintenance. So you need to be prepared for the maintenance. So my hair needs tons of proteins. I need protein in my hair. Every single time I do my hair or I wash my hair, I have to use some kind of protein product to keep my hair strong and healthy, to fill in any of those gaps in my cuticle that could be damaged. I need Olaplex number 3. There's just so much maintenance when it comes to being blonde. Sometimes my hair can be so dry that I need to turn to silicones to really detangle my hair. Like there's just so much about being high porosity that nobody really tells you. So for me, I need to use a lot of protein products. So I like the Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey, and Yogurt line. I like to use Olaplex number 3 every week. Bond builders are a must. So that's definitely something to be mindful of, that blonde is super high maintenance, and you need to add protein into your routine if you decide to go blonde. The next topic is something I deal with like all the time being platinum, all the time, and that is constant brassiness. So my hair, you can see right now, like it's nice and like light white, but if I don't use a purple shampoo every 2 weeks, my hair will turn like so yellow that it looks like it's not even platinum. Like it just looks straight up yellow. So I have to constantly use a purple shampoo every 2 weeks. It's something that you need to know if you're deciding to go blonde, especially like me, platinum blonde. Purple shampoo is something that you will need in your routine forever. Like that's it. Purple shampoo will be your baby. My favorites are the Fanola No Yellow shampoo and the Blonde Brilliance shampoo that I get from Sally's for cool tones. Those two are my favorites. Any other I've used have just stained my hair so bad or just didn't work for me. So those are some of the things that I deal with all the time as a blonde that, you know, like some of them I wish I knew, some of them I knew but I didn't really like care because I just wanted to go blonde so bad. But now that I am blonde, it is definitely high maintenance. So just make sure that if you decide to go blonde, you're prepared for the expenses of it, you're prepared for the maintenance, just prepared. This isn't to scare you. Like I absolutely love being a platinum blonde. I don't think you'll ever see me with another color. But it is high maintenance. It's something that because I love this color so much, I have to take care of it. So just keep that in mind, that, you know, just make sure that you're prepared for all that it comes with. But that is the end of this video. I really enjoyed this video talking to you guys about my blonde hair. If you would like to see more videos like these talking about my blonde, how I went blonde, my journey, because I know I need to do some updated ones, let me know down below in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give your girl a big thumbs up and go down below and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to turn on your notifications button so you can know when I post my next video. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video with me, and I will see you in my next video.